Hey, day 3, we're back. Let's go. We have the Toyota Celica. So what happened was one of the wheels almost fell off. We almost died. The reason why is they put standard, not metric lug nuts on all 4 wheels. They had 20 of them. They were all wrong, and they just tightened it on there so that the wheel would stay. So I ended up going to a shop last night and got towed. They saved me. And we got new OEM-like lug nuts right here. And they're very ugly, but they're chrome, but they're gonna keep the wheel on. We've already gone fast enough to make sure that the wheel stays on. Crazy, we almost died. A little windy, guys, I'm sorry, a little windy. This is the one that pretty much fell off. And I thought I literally thought that it was gonna fall off and land on the fender. I'm so glad it didn't. So, and today I have a subscriber, thank you so much. We're trying to, mission today is he has some TRD parts. He has a side skirt for the driver's side. It's kind of chewed up, so I don't really want that one. Has some bolts in it, but he has a red, authentic TRD wing. So we'll put it on here. He has a TRD rear extension, we'll put it on there, and then he has a driver side skirt, which we'll put on there. I probably won't put it on until we get back to Washington, where I'm from, but it'll be amazing to meet a subscriber. I love you guys, and then it'll be amazing to get some authentic TRD parts, and I might put the wing on when we go to Texas. So today we're trying to get out of Alabama, and we're trying to everyone says I talk fast around here. I love it. I do talk fast. I'm from Seattle. We're trying to get to Memphis, Tennessee and get a TRD parts in this video. Let's get going. We got a big day. We got thousands and thousands of miles to get in the Toyota Celica. We already lost a wheel.
I live in Carthage.
Thank you so much. How long you been there?
About 9 years.
9 years, yes.
Is that okay?
Let's take a picture. Gabriella.
Yeah, definitely.
Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Okay, we're out in Alabama, and look what we got. A TRD kit. This came from my friend Marcus over here. He came and brought me it. So nice. You guys are absolutely amazing. So we got 3 pieces out of the 5 pieces. We got the wing, right here, Gabriella. We got the rear valance, and then we got one of the side skirts. And I can't wait to put them on. I'll need, I think I might already have a driver side, but I think it might also already be a passenger side. Side skirt, I'll need another TRD, and then we'll probably end up doing a G-ready front lip. But look at this, we've already got, I know it's so windy, sorry. We already got body kit. Let's throw in the car and head on out. Okay, we went into the store, we got 3M tape and a flathead screwdriver, and I was able to remove the OEM rocker. Now what I'm doing is using some 3M tape on the TRD side skirt. I only have one. I did cut myself. Blood, sweat, and tears. So that it doesn't have to ride in the vehicle with us, and that we'll have extra room. And I did have enough extra hardware that I should be able to have it fit pretty well in here. So let's slap this bad boy on here. I think there's a tornado outside. Blood, sweat, tears. Dang, I really gouged a hole in my hand. Okay, so Gabriella's gonna get out of the car. Ella's gonna get out of the car, and she's gonna show you what we just accomplished. Get out of the car and show them what we just accomplished. Check this out. It's a tornado. Close the door before it rips off. So, Marcos, we did it in the Walmart parking lot. Thank you so much. Okay, number 2, come over here, guys. Look at this. You ready for this? Are you ready for this? This is the most important thing in my life. Cruise control! I fixed it. Blood, sweat, and tears. Fixed it. How did I fix it? Inside of here, there's this little thing. It's called a fuse. I replaced it. And it worked. You would have never known. Here, bring it back up to me, Gabriel, if I can get this little dog back on here. There we go. You would have never known if that was the issue unless you replaced the fuse, because it didn't look blown and it works. It's on, it's off, it's on, it's off. Amazing. I've driven 1,000 miles without cruise control, and now I have cruise control. And we had a TRD. Look what's behind us.
It's a party.
It's a party. Let's hit the road.
Is it space camp?
It's space camp.
What?
What? Okay, we did it. We've driven 1,000 miles. 1,000. We've actually driven more. I forgot to reset the little trip thing. We have 3 bars of gas left, so I obviously need to get more, and we've made it to Mississippi. We are in a new state. I am very happy. I should probably turn off my high beams. Very happy, very happy. We've been cruising along. Next stop is going to be the 10 IC, Tennessee, and we'll be putting this thing at a hotel at night. We got one side skirt TRD installed. I'm very, very happy, and we're just cruising along. I don't know if I'll do an oil change, but I feel like I should do an oil change. It's probably on the to-do list. Okay, we've made it to Arkansas. So we did Mississippi, Tennessee. Now we're in Arkansas. We were gonna stay the night in Memphis, but we came across the water. We're staying at that hotel over there. There's so many Crackle Barrels here. Look what we did. Couple of things. We drove through like the worst rainstorm I've been in ever. It was absolutely insane. And the roads here are so slick. I was going like 5 miles an hour. I literally was going like on a 45 or on a 70. I was going like 45. Crazy. These tires are pretty shot too. These wheels are just absolutely terrible. And then the suspension is kind of clunky too. Like everything on it just need to be looked over by me. I need to touch the car. That's how I feel. So we're gonna wrap up this video. What a crazy, crazy adventure. I'm so glad we made it all the way to Arkansas. We are almost to Texas. We'll be in Texas tomorrow. Make sure to like, subscribe, check out that TRD side skirt. I got one side skirt and it's all installed. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty darn good, to be honest. If anyone has another driver side TRD side skirt in red, I will buy it from you. I would love to have it. Like, subscribe, swingbymitch.com. See you guys in the next video.